Hi everyone, how's it going? So today we've got a Fisher-Price Precious Planet Animal Sounds. So that's what it looks like. Let's turn it on. Gonna have to hold it because it won't stand up on its own.
Animal friends are busy each day.
You just basically go through the book.
They eat, they sleep, they love to play.
That's pretty much what it do. You can push the little sun to see what you got.
Animal friends are busy each day. Elephant.
Push a button that tells you what you're getting. So yeah, it's pretty much what that one does. I just wanted to show it on there. It's in nice condition, all working nicely. It's from 2013, this one, so not too old, but getting that way. So, nice little book. If you like what you see in my videos, please have a look in our eBay shop. The name is on the screen right now. And there's over 4,000 items in the shop of all sorts of different things. Please have a view and see what you can find.